So our PC have boot successfully. So let's try and see if it worked. And boom, everything is done, and we have successfully entered to reset our password. Yeah, hello guys. I hope you're all doing good. So today I'm going to show you how to create a new password if you forgot your password when you try to log into your Kali machine. So this is a virtual machine. So I forget my password, and let's see how to restart it. So I'll just go here to the menu and I'll just press restart. So as our PC is restarting, when we get to the boot menu, we will just press E. This side we press the letter E, and then we have to move down to this line. So you move to this line, which is RO. You change this O to W, which means it was read only and now it's read and write. So and at the end of this line, you will just put init assigned to /bin/bash. What we are doing, we are just telling the PC when it boot, it should boot into the bash shell, so it gives us the root access to do stuff and change the password. So now you have to press Ctrl+X to restart it. So let's wait for it to boot the shell. So when the PC boots, it boots onto a bash shell command. So what we need to do is we type this password, this command. This is the command for changing the password, and I would want to change it for this user, which is Kali. I'll just press enter, and then I'll give it a new password. I'll retype it again, and that should be successful. And also I will change it for the root, so I'll just press password. I'll change the password for the root also, so don't worry about this. So basically we have successfully update our password. So now let's restart our PC and see if it works. Okay, so I'll just go to our machine. This is our virtual machine, and I'll reset it. Yes, so let's reset our virtual machine. Okay, so our PC have boot successfully. So let's try and see if it worked. And boom, everything is done, and we have successfully entered to reset our password. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye. If you have any problem, just leave it in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks. Bye bye.